Don't let lottery scammers get money from your businesses. A warning this evening to microfinanciers from Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw. He was speaking this morning at a Caribbean Microfinancing Conference in Montego Bay, St. James. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
It's the story of many Jamaicans. They are unable to borrow money from traditional financial institutions like banks, so they turn to the microfinancing sector, getting cash, sometimes small sums, to fund their businesses or take care of personal needs. But with the convenience, there's another problem: access by those taking part in illegal activities, prompting this warning from Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw.
Make sure that you are not infiltrated by the illegal economy. Make sure you're not infiltrated by the underground economy. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. Don't let a lot of scammers come and get financing through your organization. Very, very important.
Mr. Shaw underscored the need for microfinanciers to uphold ethical standards and promote transparency.
I therefore want to use this opportunity to encourage our microlenders to ensure your products are not exploitative with ridiculous interest rates that, instead of lifting our entrepreneurs, pushes them into a situation of unproductivity and perpetual borrowing.
To better regulate the sector and protect customers, the government is still working on the microcredit bill.
The new legislation is intended to make registration mandatory, establish qualifying criteria for registration, create a regulatory authority to govern business standards and practices for the sector. The bill will also incorporate new provisions to promote full disclosure of all rates, fees, and charges on principal debt, recognizing that transparency is the hallmark of all financial business activities.
And with micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, getting capital from microfinance institutions, the government is pushing to provide more support. That way, more MSMEs will be able to expand operations. The Development Bank of Jamaica states on its website that it has lent over $4.6 billion to microfinance institutions since 2009. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.